Matrix pricing. Matrix pricing is basically a method that is used to figure out the correct or the valid price for a bond which is not traded that frequently. Let's look at through an example how this is done. Let's say there is an information available of two actively traded 2-year bonds. One with a coupon rate of 4%, another with a coupon rate of 6%. And there is also information available for a 4-year bond, in fact 2 4-year bonds, again one with a coupon rate of 4%, another with a coupon rate of 6%. Let's say this one is trading at a price of 98. This one is trading at a price of 99. This one is trading at a price of 100. This one is trading at a price of 102. Now we have to find the price or the present value, the valid present value of a 3-year bond with a 5% coupon. This is what we have to find out. Now how do we do that? We do it stepwise. Step 1, average yields. Now we find out the yields of this bond and this bond and take out their average. How do we do that? Easy. Now for this one, we take number of periods as 2, future value at par or 100, present value at 98, periodic payment as 4, and we just need to find out the yield, right? We can easily do that. PV is equal to minus 98, FV is 100, PMT is 4, N is 2, we compute the yield. This comes to be, for the 2-year set of bonds, it comes to be, the first one is giving 5.076%. Okay. Now the next one will be, now for this one, N is equal to 2, FV again is 100, PV is minus 99, PMT is 6, we need to find out the yield. The yield is coming to be 6.5496 or approximately 6.55. So we take the average of these two, 6.5496 divided by 2. This comes as 5.8128. Similarly, for these two also we calculate the yields. For this one, N is 4, FV is 100, PV is minus 102, PMT is 6, we need to find out the yield. For the 4-year bonds, the first yield that we have calculated is coming as 5.4303. Now we find out the same for this one. N is equal to 4, PMT is equal to 4, FV is equal to 100, PV is equal to minus 100. So the yield we can calculate, this is coming as 4%. So here it is coming as 4%. So we take an average of these two, it comes to be 4.7151. Now what do? We go to step 2, which is finding the weight of yield for longer duration bond. That is the 4-year bond. Now there is a formula for this. This weight is counted as M minus S by L minus S. M is the target, that is our 3-year bond. S is the 2-year bond. L is the 4-year bond. So this weight value becomes 3 minus 2 by 4 minus 2. This is equal to half. So the yield of the 3-year bond, is equal to half of the yield of the longer duration bond, that is the 4-year bond, plus 1 minus the weight of the longer duration bond into the yield of the shorter duration bond. This is equal to half into 4.7151 plus 1 minus half is half into 5.8128. This gives us 5.2639%. Now if we have to calculate the present value, that is the price of this bond, how do we do that? We have period, which is 3 years. We have the coupon, that is the periodic payment. This is 5, right? See, here the coupon payment is 5. Future value is at par or 100. Yield is 5.2639. We need to find out the present value. Can't we do that? Yes, easily we can do that. This comes to be 99.2846. So we put the value in the matrix. The value is 99.2846. This is our desired answer.